This person has been hired by professional athletes and sports franchises to implement a new training method. This technique has been known to improve hand speed and balanced eye-hand coordination. Once they have practiced this skill, the athletes have reported a newfound ability to react quickly without thinking. The dilapidated old street performer, known as Juggleman, holds the secret to improving reaction time. This training does not involve specialized equipment or advanced unnecessary skill levels. Instead, it uses each sport's own equipment. For example, in 2014, Juggleman trained the world champion New England Patriots to juggle footballs and insisted all the footballs needed to be deflated. Almost every professional sports league is utilizing Juggleman's rapidly diminishing skills. Even learning simple tricks improves a person's balance and center of gravity. It's a proven scientific fact that working out the basic juggling patterns with 3 balls helps avoid mental decline, Alzheimer's, and driving annoyingly slow. Juggling can be applied to almost every sport. Just switch out the juggling balls for that activity's preferred equipment. For example, baseball. I think the glove goes on the hand. On what planet would a baseball player not want to learn to juggle baseballs to help improve fielding and making less errors? The eggs are safe! Skiing and juggling is called scuggling. Combining soccer and juggling is called soccer juggling. Juggleman guarantees that once goalies learn to juggle 3 soccer balls, they no longer allow a single player to get a hat trick. However, when it came to professional tennis, Wimbledon actually banned the famous Juggleman 2-ball juggle serve. Some athletes have an interest in more than one sport, which creates an adaptive training environment. Idiot! You're out of there. NBA players were taught to juggle 3 basketballs while doing a Euro step. Being able to juggle is just another important ability every person should have as part of their arsenal used to navigate an environment dominated by gravity. And now a brief history of juggling. Juggling has been around for 4,000 years. We know this from this example of early Egyptian YouTube. This drawing is the first known depiction of a person juggling Dubé machetes. Juggling first reached cult status in China when every man, woman, and child was forced to become a professional juggler. In addition, juggling encourages social distancing. It's also the second leading cause of wrist tendinitis. Those are really annoying. This famous Hollywood actor was banned from acting after dropping the only remaining copy of Gone with the Wind. An additional benefit of juggling: teaching someone to juggle is a great way to make friends, as no one ever forgets the person that taught them to juggle. Hey! Juggleman's anti-intuitive teaching method involves showing the trick over and over, followed by a strange strategy of negative reinforcement and disgust. This method, known as the teacher trash talk tutorial, breaks down the student rather than the trick. Oh yeah, and don't forget to deflate the balls. And now an example of the teacher trash talk tutorial, using a juggling trick known as the waterfall. Here Juggleman executes a 3-ball trick known as the waterfall. Most juggling gurus will break down the trick into simpler exercises for the beginner juggler. Instead, Juggleman will say something like, Anthony Gatto juggled 5 balls when he was 5 years old. Just do the trick. That's where just do it came from. Chasing balls that roll under the couch builds character. The goal of the teacher using the TTTT method is to demoralize the student. This method was originated by football coach Vince Lombardi and was further developed by basketball coach Bobby Knight with his addition of the throwing a chair at the student. You can hire Juggleman to teach your team to juggle for a small fee. Please have a chair available at the training session.